Hi everyone, my name is Stephanie and I'm blind. Here, let me show you something that I use on a daily basis. So this is my white cane. It's red on the bottom and white on top with a rubber handle and a string. Not everyone's cane looks like that, and that's okay. And no, I don't have a guide dog. I do, however, have a pet named and this is Willow. She's 7. She likes going outside, going for car rides, and sleeping. Her favorite things are being petted, hot dogs, and her toys. So come join us as we show you what it's like living life as a blind person. What's that? Oh, you thought Willow was blind too? Nope, Willow's not blind. It's just me. What? Oh, okay, fine. So come join me and I'll show you what it's like living life as a blind person. But Willow's tagging along too. Sometimes. Most of the time. Good Saturday afternoon to literally, well, everyone. You watching this right now. You, hi. So I uploaded Friday's video early this morning because I fell asleep before I could upload it on Friday. So that is now up. If you haven't seen that, go watch it. It is called, I don't remember what I called it, but I was basically talking about the assumption that everyone seems to think that blind people live with sighted people and that sighted people are always around to help. And I am going to do a part 2 to that as well. So next week you will be seriously really confused if you don't watch this week's. So yesterday I spent the day working on homework. I wrote an article review, and then I realized after I wrote the entire article review that I got the wrong article when I went to upload it, and it said social studies, and I realized that I had a nursing article that was about learning styles and not social studies. So that was great. I had to fix that, which meant that I had to redo the entire article review. And then I did a couple of assignments, and Willow was sad because I couldn't play with her because I ended up having to do the same assignment twice, which meant that I didn't have the energy to do a third assignment or a fourth assignment like I wanted to do. Like, my brain was just done. And I went to bed kind of early for me, and so that's why I didn't get Friday's video uploaded on time. And then Willow woke me up. It's just been hard. I have never, done college when I didn't have my thyroid medication. I've done, school, but it was, at Alpha Point, and it was, where they were teaching you different life skills that you needed, so, technology and daily living skills, like cleaning and dishes, and everything like that, and that was really hard for me, but I've never done college like this, and I definitely would not recommend it. I feel like if I have my thyroid medication, I could get so many assignments done instead of just 2. I feel like I could finish all of them, and then I wouldn't have to worry about when is she going to give me a 0 and all of that. And speaking of that, she actually, I guess, found my personal email, which is not a big deal because I have it listed on my college profile thingy. But it's just weird that she, like, took it on herself to, like, email me there. But also, it saved me some steps because then I wouldn't have to go to my computer and log into my college email. I cannot figure out for the life of me how to get my college email onto my iPhone, because every time I go to click the link that I was sent in the email by the help desk, it says that this page is not available. So I'm going to have to contact the help desk. I just don't have the energy to do that. And I get to start observing on Monday. I already told you all that, but I wanted to tell you all again because I'm kind of excited about it. And I need to try and sign a PDF document, so that's going to be really fun. I don't know why. I've had the worst trouble trying to sign PDF documents. Everyone is like, get a DocuSign. So I got DocuSign, like, as a trial, and I literally could not sign a document. I don't know what that was about, but, like, my rehab services for the blind counselor told me to get DocuSign, so I got it, and then I guess I don't know how to use it. I don't know. I don't know what's going on, but I tried. I followed the directions on the website and everything, and I still couldn't sign a document. So trying to sign this document is going to be really fun since I don't have this email on my phone. I can't just open the PDF on my phone unless I go to my college email on my computer and download it to, like, Google Drive or Dropbox or something, and then open it from there on my phone. Like, that's going to be the only way that I can even attempt to try to sign it on my phone. So that's going to be so much fun that I'm not looking forward to at all. So yeah, stay tuned because I'm going to try to do that today. Here is Willow. She's like, I gotta look cute for the camera. Uh-oh. Do you have hiccups? Uh-oh. Willow has hiccups. Oh no. Poor Willow. Oh, she has hiccups. Oh, look at her. She has hiccups. Uh-oh. Do you need to get a drink of water? That might help. Aw, hi. I love you so much. Yeah, I love you so much. You're such a good girl. You're such a good girl. Aww. Aw, you're gonna give me kisses. Yeah. 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 Yay, Willow kisses. Yoo-hoo. You're so cute. You're literally the cutest dog. Yeah. You want to be a big sister to a new kitty? I don't know when I'm gonna get to kitty, but... There's a Willow laying on my feet. I just scared her a while ago because I accidentally hit her with the phone cord. But I thought this was, like, super cute. Oh, now she's gonna look extra cute. Right? Now you're gonna look extra cute. You're so cute. I just did some homework assignments. I'm probably gonna go back and do at least one more, just so I have less to do later. And then tomorrow I'm gonna work on the homework assignments for this week. And I actually got one of those homework assignments started. I should technically have 2 links in this homework assignment, but I only have one because I lost the other link and I'm gonna have to go look again. And I realize that this isn't going to make any sort of sense to y'all, but basically I have to do a lesson plan unit, and I've been trying to get different sources for it, so that could be fun, or is going to be fun. And Willow is down here growling at herself, or at least she was. I don't know what she's doing right now, but she was down here growling at herself, and she keeps barking at me, especially while I'm doing homework assignments, and it's kind of distracting, and also really kind of cute that she's like barking at me, but like I don't know what she wants. Like, I can't just stop doing homework just to play with her and whatever. Like, I have to do my homework, lazy. Yeah, I have to do my homework. That's what has to happen. Yeah, you're so cute. Excuse me. I'm tired, Willow. Are you tired, Willow? You're probably not tired. You probably just want to play some more, right? Are you gonna jump at me? Because if you're gonna jump at me, I'm gonna move over. You gonna jump up here? Come on. Come on. Come on, Weezy. Come on, Weezy. You gonna jump? You gonna jump? Come on. Come on. No? I don't know what you want. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and end today's video. I hope you follow me on TikTok. You can find that on my YouTube page below the About section and down in the description below. And I really need to make a new outro because, let's be honest, this is really weird. It needs to be shorter, and I also need to make a new intro. Anyway, good night, guys. This is the end of the video. I hope that you like this video enough to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're brand new. Ring that notification bell. Make sure it's set to all notifications. Leave a comment if you have something to say. Like my Facebook page and follow me on Twitter. Both of these are Stephieonyoutube 1. My personal Twitter is Stephie2010. And you can also follow me on Labrie if you want rewards for doing simple things like, I don't know, following me. Crazy, right? And you can find all those links on my YouTube page below the About section and down in the description below this video. And if you would like to email me, you can find that in the About section of my YouTube page and down in the description below. And also at Stephieonyoutube@gmail.com. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.